technicians here provide a key component of just general care for the pets and education for clients, and I would truly say they're some of the most talented and dedicated and intelligent and caring individuals I've ever met. Technicians provide communication for clients. They educate them on all the general just healthcare needs of their pet. They educate them on some of the more serious illnesses, how to give, say, sub-Q fluids or injections for a pet that may need insulin for diabetes or other injectable medications. And I think that takes a lot of patience on their part and caring thoughtfulness towards the client who may be a little bit anxious about the situation. In addition, they provide all the nursing care back at the hospital, the anesthetic monitoring, and just general overall care. They work with the doctors very closely to make sure that the pet has the utmost in care, compassionate care, pain control, and just really good nursing care that the animals receive when they're here. Peggy is an extremely hardworking, loyal technician. She's been with me for, I don't even know how many years, a really long time, and she's a total team player. She's someone who on a really busy day can multitask and do so many different things at one time, and I'd say one of her best assets is her ability to communicate with clients and to train them on things that may be difficult. She's really good at that.
Kim P is fast, awesome, and always tells me what to do.
I love working with Lori because she's so fun. She always makes the day go by really fast, and she's just so good at what she does. She's always prepared, knows what I want, knows what I need, and just makes the day fly by.
Asako is hilarious, and she cracks me up with all her ER stories when she comes in to work with us.
Vivian is always super enthusiastic. She's always so ready to work every time she comes in. She works super hard. She's such a team player, and she's really fun too.
I love working with Yvette because she is just steady Eddie, even-keeled, which keeps me calm. She is very thorough. She's attentive to detail. I can be confident that when I give her something, it's done. So she's like a rock for me.
I like working with Danielle because she's very patient and she's nice and calm and quiet and has fantastic handling skills, particularly with some of the bigger, potentially aggressive dogs and with a lot of the feisty cats. But she's definitely somebody that you want on your team when you might be having a rough day or have an animal that you're struggling with. Danielle to step in and have her calming presence and her excellent handling skills. She's the girl to have on your side.
I love Melissa's dedication to patient care and her compassion with our patients. And her compassion really manifests in the way she works with them, tries to calm them, understands the stress that they're under and tries to alleviate it and get her job done with as much minimal stress to the patients as possible. And she also extends that into knowing one of the biggest ways she can actually affect their lives is to educate their owners. So she's just phenomenal with client education about how to take care of the conditions that these pets have.
Angel has some very special qualities. Technically, one of the things I love about her is that she has really good client communication. She keeps everybody calm. She can make the toughest sub-Q fluid case seem easy. She's my super cat wrangler. So those are some technical skills that you can't find anywhere else.
I love working with Andrew. Despite his big gruff exterior, you can tell that he's got a nice little soft spot inside for a lot of his patients. And on top of that, he's just an overall really hard worker. And I can tell that every day he wants to do the best job that he possibly can. And he's always here and ready to work for us. So that's great to have him around.
I love working with Haley because she's just so bubbly. She takes such good care of the patients. You can tell she really loves them, loves spending time with the dogs and cats, and just treats them as her own. I really enjoy her coming along with the house calls with me, and we have fun in the car and just bonded really well.
Melanie's kind of like an Energizer bunny to me. She's a very smart Energizer bunny, though. She's really bright, she's driven, she's motivated, she's dedicated to what she's doing. She anticipates needs very well, and she's a meticulous record keeper, too.